Okay, so here I have a Dyson machine. I've only had it since December. I did a review and said it was pretty good, but it is not an actually good vacuum because I've always replaced these. I've tried to use this device. This is all I get. You can hear it beeping. Does not turn on. I can change the modes. Does not work at all. Battery is fully charged. This is the model. I don't know if you can hear that. It is a total beeping. At first, it smelled like it was burning. Don't know why it was burning. So my next option, because they said to send a replacement, they are out of stock, meaning that I have to wait 1 to 3 weeks to get one. Try going without vacuuming your house for 3 weeks is not acceptable. So if you are looking at the Dyson V12 Direct Slim, I would say do not buy this company. You can see the edges here. It started peeling off. This is a very bad company. They don't stand by their product. I would suggest going somewhere else. This is not a good vacuum. I've only had it since December 13th. Here it is 4 months later, and this is useless. Does not work. Says I have time. I have literally changed the setting. I'm gonna go and turn it off. You can see it's off. And it won't even turn this thing off. So I've turned it off, see? Look it won't even turn off. Yeah. Do not get the Direct Slim V12 by Dyson. Worst company ever.